So we've got this beautiful Mitsubishi Outlander, but it's looking kind of naked on top. So I bought a roof rack for it. This is my son Reymart. He's from the Philippines.
We know that. I said that already.
I wasn't recording when you said it.
And he likes the place. That's cool.
And he doesn't like to say his R's.
Okay, Papa. Focus on your recording now. It's like square.
This is the set that I got, the Erkul Crossbars. What I think of when I hear Erkul is, did I do that? So far they seem pretty simple. You have these ends that go in the crossbar. I've already stuck the ends on this one, so you can see. Looks pretty good. Now, it does say remove the plastic before installation, which is what I expected. And on it, it says this is the front. Also, you can see here there is an R on that end piece, and there is an L on that end piece. So obviously this goes on the right, that goes on the left, and the bladed edge goes to the rear.
Also help his dad, Christopher St. Germany, CSGPHOTOS, /PSG soccer team.
Go to this side, Reymart.
Plastic.
No, it's aluminum. The end pieces are plastic.
Then what am I to do?
You're gonna grab this so it doesn't hit the roof. Got it? All right. Now we're gonna have to loosen. So this piece grabs on the inside of the rail, and that goes on the outside.
Is it
so
recording?
We've got to loosen. Yes, it's recording. You smelling my underarms?
I thought you said you fixed it.
It comes with this little box. It's got some tools in it. It's got some end caps in it. That's all going to go on in a minute. You can see there's a little lock mechanism on there. Here's an Allen key. And there's the key for the lock mechanism. I should probably figure out what those do. Oh, so those are going to slide down over this once everything's in place. First it says to loosen this bolt. How you doing, Reymart?
Huh?
How you doing? This one doesn't fit here. That's what the other tool is for. All right, Reymart, grab this tool. It goes in that top bolt. Nope, nope, nope. There you go. Just loosen it. Put it in there first.
I'm sorry.
And loosen it. That's tightening it. You're left-handed. Go the other way. There you go.
My dad is expert on this.
Yep.
Why? Why?
All right, this other key is for this long bolt here. Loosen that. It loosens up the entire thing. Yeah, it's almost there. There it goes. It just dropped right into place.
There you go.
Come over here so you can see it tightening. I'm just going to snug that up. There we You didn't take that bolt out, did you? You just loosened it, right?
It almost came out.
Hmm?
It almost came out.
All right, grab this. Don't put that on my car. There you go. Loosen it up until it drops into place. No, no, no. There you go. That's tightening. Loosen it, Reymart. Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty.
It's better, bro.
Loosen it until it drops into place.
See, guys, it's gonna drop in a second because I am pro at this.
Push it and wiggle it.
Just need to.
Oh, you went too far.
See, guys, I broke it.
Put it back in place and start tightening it. No, but it should go down over this like this one is. See?
I'm trouble breathing. Stop wiggling, Papa. I'm almost there.
Okay, but I want it down over this bar. That's why it's a crossbar.
Yeah, but the screwdriver is over there.
It needs to drop down over this. There we go. Oh, that rubber snubber came off. You see that? Put that back on.
Whatever. It keeps falling apart.
Put it back on.
How did you burrito?
Put it back on.
Guys, I think we got some problem. Ow, my
Pay
hand.
attention to what you're doing.
You're supposed to do it, always.
Do you need me to do it?
Yeah.
I think you can figure it out.
It's
Just snap it into place, Reymart. It's got grooves in it so it'll fit.
Okay, Cracker Barrel. What? Ow, my hand!
There.
Fall apart.
It's just a rubber snubber.
Okay, you do it.
You got it in place now. It just needs to go down
I don't
over
think
this.
so. The rubber is not even there yet. Okay. Let me set up there one too.
Okay, I got to get up where you are because I can't see from here. What language is that you're speaking, Reymart?
Huh?
What language are you speaking?
Nothing. Why?
I heard you speaking something. That should be good right there.
It's not like that, the other one, you can see.
It is. It's just like that.
No.
What are you talking about?
You mess it up again.
It's just right.
No.
What's wrong?
The other one is different.
What's different about it?
This one is up there. This one, the rubber thing is up there.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
That doesn't make any sense.
No, it's so.
If it is, then I probably messed up that one. Because this should be right like that. It's pressing here.
There's a little screw there. You have to like fix that. I didn't put it.
Okay, so Reymart was right. I popped this rubber piece out on this side too. So I'm going to have to loosen it up and put that rubber piece back in like we did on the other side. Okay, I pushed the rubber back into place. And now I'm going to tighten it down. It says in the instructions to tighten it down 50% on this side, 50% on the other side. I'm actually going to bring this forward just a touch so that it matches right there. Tighten it down. Reymart's board. Hi, Mama. What you doing?
You're gonna be in YouTube.
You go for a bicycle ride on your new bike? Oh, Reymart's going. Okay, both sides are tightened down. Supposed to give it the shake check. Seems to be pretty sturdy. So the next thing we need to do is put the caps on the edge here. So that's those extra little pieces that were in the box. So I'm going to tighten this screw back down again on each side. And I believe what that does is it allows this to flare so that it tightens down the brace. This side also, we're losing the light over here. Alright, so these little plastic pieces slide right down in here to cover up that bolt. I feel like that is not covered all the way. So maybe it needs, no, if I turn it around, then that's not going to fit on there. So I guess that's what it is. The last piece is going to be this locking cap. One goes on the right, one goes on the left. I'll grab those little keys. It just, there's 2 notches on it there. Slips down inside. It's not in the right position yet, so should be able to find it with the key. Push it down and clamp it, and there you go. That is closed. Do the other thing on the other side. Drop that. It's just to keep.
I'm just gonna remove it.
I want to go to the closer, you know, the closer in the church.
Easy peasy. Okay, so I'm going to peel all the plastic off of this other one. It actually goes pretty quick when you're not trying to record everything. This rubber piece goes up as a protective against whatever you have stacked on top of the bar. Looks like an airplane wing. This is the left side, which is here. Now the thing that I had trouble with was getting both of these little pieces inserted there. I'll shoot that. It's pretty easy. Did you give me that tool back already, Reymart? Yeah. Loosen this. Push it all the way in. All right, push the other piece in. It says it should go all the way. You should not be greater than 26 inches apart between the bars. 26 inches is right there, which is about midway. I might end up moving this front bar back some so that it's not all right in the front. Reymart, can you go on the other side, please?
So in the middle, so you have to, you need to push back.
That can't be all the way in.
One. The first one you need to push back. Be careful. That's enough, I think.
It's not all the way in. I mentioned that the rubber snubber goes on top. I of course put it on the bottom so it wouldn't go in all the way. Now I can push it in all the way. And when I put it up top, it felt like it was way too long, which it was, because I couldn't push it all the way down. Now when I go to put it in, you can see here
Go. Yeah.
how easy that is to tell
You can push the
how far it's
springs.
supposed to go. This is the left one. We're going to need that other tool. You can stop, honey. All right, that's the whole thing done. Both bars are on. Looks pretty good. Everything seems nice and solid. And we got done just before the sunset.